Imagine stepping into a luxury vehicle that completely changes what you expect from travel. The 2027 Mercedes Sprinter VIP Klassen is not just a van, it's a rolling executive lounge designed for those who demand comfort, exclusivity, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a business executive, celebrity, entrepreneur, or someone who simply appreciates premium transportation, this incredible luxury conversion takes the already capable Mercedes Sprinter to an entirely new level from the moment you see it. The 2027 VIP Klassen Sprinter stands out with its elegant design. The exterior features a bold presence, enhanced by custom body styling, premium alloy wheels, LED lighting accents, and a refined finish that gives it a commanding look on the road. It combines sophistication with practicality, making it equally at home outside a five-star hotel, a corporate headquarters, or a private airport terminal. But the real magic begins when the automatic door slides open. Inside, you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a private jet than a traditional vehicle. Every surface is crafted with premium materials, including handcrafted leather upholstery, genuine wood trims, polished metal accents, and luxurious carpeting. The attention to detail is remarkable, creating an atmosphere that immediately communicates exclusivity. The VIP seating is undoubtedly one of the biggest highlights. Large executive captain's chairs offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple reclining positions. Passengers can stretch out, relax, and enjoy first-class comfort during every journey. Whether you're traveling across the city or taking a longer road trip, these seats transform every mile into a premium experience. Technology is another area where the 2027 Klassen Sprinter truly shines. Large entertainment screens, advanced multimedia systems, and high-speed connectivity keep passengers productive and entertained. Video conferencing, streaming content, or managing business tasks on the move becomes effortless thanks to integrated Wi-Fi and smart connectivity solutions. The vehicle essentially functions as a mobile office and entertainment suite at the same time. Ambient lighting plays a huge role in creating the luxurious atmosphere. Adjustable LED lighting allows passengers to customize the cabin's mood according to their preferences. Whether you want a calm, relaxing environment for evening travel or a bright setting for work meetings, the lighting system adapts beautifully to every situation. Privacy is another key focus of the VIP Klassen conversion. Tinted windows, partition options, and advanced sound insulation help create a peaceful and secure environment. Outside, noise is minimized, allowing passengers to enjoy conversations, make important calls, or simply relax in complete comfort. Storage and convenience features have also been carefully considered. Custom cabinets, integrated refrigerators, fold-out tables, wireless charging stations, and premium cup holders ensure that every necessity is within easy reach. Everything inside the cabin has been designed to enhance comfort and functionality. Under the hood, the 2027 Mercedes Sprinter continues to deliver the reliability and performance that have made the Sprinter famous worldwide. Powerful engine options provide smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising, while advanced suspension tuning helps maintain exceptional ride comfort. Even with its luxurious interior upgrades, the vehicle remains practical and capable for daily use. Safety remains a top priority as well. Advanced driver assistance technologies help protect passengers and improve driving confidence. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking systems, and a high-definition camera setup work together to provide a safer driving experience. These technologies ensure that luxury never comes at the expense of security. What truly sets the 2027 Mercedes Sprinter VIP Klassen apart is its ability to combine luxury, technology, comfort, and practicality into one extraordinary package. It offers the space of a premium lounge, the sophistication of a luxury sedan, and the versatility of a commercial vehicle, all wrapped into a single impressive platform. For executives, families, VIP transport companies, and luxury travel enthusiasts, This vehicle represents a new standard in premium transportation. It's more than a way to get from one destination to another. It's a statement of style, success, and innovation. If you enjoyed this, look at the incredible 2027 Mercedes Sprinter VIP Klassen. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury vehicle reviews, concept cars, and automotive innovations. Let us know in the comments, would you choose this VIP luxury Sprinter over a private jet for your next journey? Stay tuned for more amazing automotive content.